and welcome back to my holiday organizing series where I try to upload an organizing tip daily to maybe help you create a little more organization during your holiday season. Now in this video I want to talk about remembering that done is better than perfect. Now I will be the first to admit, as a mom, I always want to create a perfect holiday season for my family. But sometimes striving for perfection can actually derail any organization you hope to have during your holiday season. So if you find yourself getting behind the 8 ball and not getting things done, scale them back to a more manageable level and remember that done is always better than perfect. What I mean by that is, if you are struggling to finish up the holiday decorations, consider this. Simplify it, scale it back. You don't have to have every tree outside decorated. You don't have to have every single room in your home decorated. Maybe just focus on one. Having one room actually done is better than driving yourself crazy trying to make the whole house perfect. And that goes for other holiday activities. Say, for example, if you plan on baking a lot this holiday season, maybe consider half of those baked goods, just get them store-bought, and then concentrate on half of the cookies being baked from scratch. Things like that, because in the end, done is better than perfect. It's a lot less stressful to just have these tasks done than trying to constantly hit that level of perfection that can drive us all nuts, right? Okay, so I hope you found this tip helpful. If you would like more organizing tips like this, I have created a 55-page downloadable PDF filled with organizing to-do lists, templates, and organizing tips to help you reduce the stress and create more organization this holiday season. I'll put the link to that PDF in the description box below. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.